Hey everyone, I just wanted to take the opportunity to introduce you to some of our new products here at Easy Pro Texture. We've had our texture gun and our bag of texture for a number of years, over 14 now, but we've brought a number of really cool products on board, and so I just wanted to go over those with you real quick. We've come out with a mixer that drops right down into this bag and mixes the texture right in the bag. Makes it just like the day that we put it in the bag. And that comes in a 2-pack in our universal mixer package, but it also mixes your hot mud. This will mix your paint, and it's as simple to clean as dropping it into a water bottle filled with tap water and spinning it to clean. In addition, we have a knockdown blade, and this knockdown blade allows you to knock down texture as soon as you shoot it out of that wet texture, get it on the wall, and with just fingertip pressure, you can knock it down. Last, but certainly not least, is our brand new product, which everybody's been asking for: a fast, dry orange peel and knockdown texture. And we've brought that to you. What it is you get 2 packs of texture in a kit. You get a fill sleeve that comes along with it, and you get a mixer inside the box. So that kit allows you 2 applications, or 2 different applications at different times, or you can shoot both of them in the same project and cover a lot of space. This product is out and available now on easyprotexture.com. So I really appreciate everybody going through the overview with me and taking a look at all our products, but I do want to just really emphasize this new texture that we have, this fast dry product that you see here. And you're going to be able to find that on our website. You're going to find it either in the Quick Connect that's right here above me, or you can find it in our description, or you can find it in comments. This is going to be for sale. Our price on this is $24.95 suggested retail. That's what you'll find it on the website for. You get 2 bags of texture, or 42 ounces of finished texture once you get it all mixed up and sprayed on the wall. So it's a great value. And 20 minutes to paint. 20 minutes you'll be rolling paint. So once again, either hit the link here above me, look in the description. You can find us there, and you can also find us in comments. Have a great day.